recipe that she taught me. My mother and father-in-law live up in Massachusetts right now, but when I first tried this, they were living in Vermont. One of our favorite things about waking up there was eating this granola in the mornings, and we got hooked on it. We were eating it non-stop for a while, and we took a little bit of a hiatus, and now I'd like to start making it again, especially for the weekends. I think it'll be a nice treat to have when we wake up a little bit later in the morning, so we don't have to cook, just have it ready. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take our coconut oil. This is 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil. I'm going to pop it in the microwave and melt it. While that's going, I'm going to grab a large bowl. Alright, so I think my mother-in-law uses 2 different types of oats for her granola. So 2 cups of 2 different types of oats. I'm going to use 4 cups of 1 type of oat because that's just what I have on hand. Alright, our coconut oil is done, so let me go grab that. I don't want to tilt it too much and have it spill, but it is melty. I'm going to probably pour that in last, so I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup. These are hemp hearts. I think my mom got these for us, and I'm pretty sure those all came from Costco. Alright, so hemp hearts. I did 1/8 of a cup of chia seeds. You could either do chia seeds or another one that I really like to do, and I think it's in my mother-in-law's original recipe, is golden flax. But that, typically with the golden flax, you don't bake it with the rest of it. You save it to the end and you add it back in. Or you could bake it if you really want, but the original recipe called for you to leave it out and then bring it back in later. Alright, and now I have 1/4 of a cup of chopped walnuts. And my last 2 ingredients, so I have the 1/4 of a cup of melted coconut oil and 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup. I'm gonna grab a spatula because I want to get all of the goodness out of here. Really good. I might actually add just a splash of cinnamon. So let's see. We keep a container of cinnamon sugar always on hand. So I think I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon sugar. I think that's the good thing about granola. For a recipe like this is you can kind of make it your own. I know my mother-in-law really likes to add dried cranberries to hers. You could add raisins, dried fruits. Really the possibilities are endless. I'm sure you can even at the end after you bake this, you can add like freeze-dried strawberries or fresh strawberries when you go to eat it. Fresh blueberries, banana. Possibilities are endless. Alright. So that looks good. Alright, now I'm going to grab a baking sheet. Sorry, my kids are behind me eating dinner right now. I'm surprised they've been this quiet, honestly. Oh, shoot. I forgot. Almost forgot. You're supposed to add a pinch of salt. So I'm not going to add too much, but definitely make sure to add that. Alright, so we need parchment paper. hi.
Hi.
Emmett, say hi.
Hi.
Abby, do you know how old you are? 5. Yeah, you just had a birthday. Hold them up, they can't see. 6. You're 6 years old, but you're gonna be 7 soon. Show them 7. Add one more finger. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I forgot to add that we're gonna leave it in there for 10 minutes. All right, so 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then stir it.
You do it?
And then 10 more minutes.
Yeah.
Emmett, what happened to your forehead?
I bumped and my head hard.
Where?
Walking
Walking where?
the circle.
At school.
Yeah, picking leaves and I fall.
Poor buddy, does it hurt?
Mm-hmm.
But are you so strong and so brave?
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Say bye.
Bye!
See you in 9.5 minutes.
2 minutes.
9.5 minutes. All right, the timer just went off. So we are going to turn off the time. Careful, Abby, it's very hot. We're gonna take these out. Whew, look at my glasses.
Hello. A people. A bye.
All right, so we're gonna pop these back in.
Yeah.
Be careful because this is hot, buddy. And it's gonna go in for another 10 more minutes. All right, the timer just went off, so we're gonna turn all of this off and put it in the oven. Okay, stay back, okay? So now you're gonna let it cool and then store it in a Tupperware. And then tomorrow morning, we'll probably eat it with some yogurt or almond milk. Does that sound good? You got a silly face, dude. Emmett's the silly face champion. All right, raise your hand if you want granola in the morning. All right, let's try it in the morning and we'll get back to you. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, who's ready for some yogurt with granola? Abby, I don't think you are because you're already eating a squeezy yogurt. Oh, you want to try it still? All right, so we ended up with 2 full things. These were literally full and our dog got some while it was cooling. So these would have been 2 probably almost overflowing containers of granola. But it smells really, really good. It's granola. Granola.
No, it's a little baby seed.
That's called Chia.
Chia.
So I have a little yogurt cup.
That mine. That mine.
Yep, that is yours. You're right.
Hey.
Okay, give it a try. Abby, you want to try some of mine? This is Mama's.
Oh.
Did you try the yogurt and the granola?
Yummy. Yummy.
She's already given a thumbs up and she barely put it in her mouth. You can taste the cinnamon. You can smell the cinnamon. You can taste the cinnamon. I might have done a little bit more. Next time I might add a little bit more. And if I do, I'll measure it out so you guys know exactly how much I add. but it is really good. I like to eat mine either on top of a vanilla yogurt like this, or in a bowl with some almond milk, or coconut almond milk. But this is really tasty. I would definitely eat this again. Teenager decided she wanted hers with milk. That's really good. What do you taste? Cinnamon? Would you eat it again? All right. Thumbs up, thumbs down.